Hi everyone, Dom here from the Panasonic kitchen, and in this quick video I'm going to talk you through 4 great recipes perfect for students that you can cook with our 4-in-1 NN CD88 microwave from Panasonic. This microwave has 4 main cooking programs, and we've created recipes in other videos across our channel involving each of these cooking modes. First up, we've got convection. With that we made an amazing pizza, cheese and tomato pizza margherita with a little bit of fresh basil there. Check out that video, it should be flashing on the screen now. It's really great, easy to do as well. We also used the grill mode to make cheese on toast, which was amazing, another great late night snack students can make. We then made, using the combi mode, a jacket potato with butter and chives and all amazing stuff. That was also great. And then last of all, we used the air fry mode. That is the newest mode on this microwave, because it's not just a microwave, it's an air fryer as well. And we did French fries. You can also do things like chicken wings, you can do chicken tenders, you can do all sorts in the air fryer, which again is a perfect late night snack for students. So check out those videos, they should have been flashing on screen throughout this video, and head to the links below if you're interested in purchasing this microwave direct from Panasonic. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.